Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to go ahead and begin with our calendar. Let's look at our months of the year. Go ahead and say them. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Can you tell me what month we are? April. Can you tell me what day we are today? Today is the 13th. So I'm going to go ahead and circle the 13th. We're going to go ahead and we're going to count and we're going to stop at the number 13. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What day is it today? Monday. So let's look over here. It says yesterday was. Can you tell me what day was it yesterday? Sunday. So let's go ahead and drag Sunday over here. Today is Monday. If today is Monday, what will it be tomorrow? Tuesday. Okay, next we're going to move on to fluency. We're going to say the letter. Are you ready? Okay. B, H, M, J, D, S, F, P, A, N, K, T, E, O, V, X, B, I, Z, W, P, C, Q, I, G, U, R, C, S, L, E, R, Z, X, A, S, D, Y, J, G, M, V, T, K, W, C, N, U, Q, F, last row, H, B, Y, O, N, G, J, H, L, stop. Good job. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're reviewing poetry this week. So let's look at what we have here. How rain helps elephants. Many elephants live in hot places. Rain makes steams and puddles. Now, this elephant has water to drink. Rain also makes mud. Mud helps elephants keep cool on hot days. How can rainy weather help Earth? Draw a picture. So how can rainy weather help the Earth? Yes, it'll help the grass to grow, maybe some plants. Yes, because plants need water. What about animals? Do animals need water? Yes, they do. Okay. Words for L and N. So we're going to read, circle, and underline. I like to nap. We're going to circle the words that have the L sound. Which of these words has the L sound? Like. We're going to underline the words that have the N sound. Which of those has the N sound? Nap. Let's look at the second sentence. Tim can go to the lake. Do you see any words that begin with the L lake. Do you see any words that begin with the N? No. Okay, let's go to the next one. She must not be late. Do you see any words that have the L sound? Late. Do you see any words that begin with the N? Not. Last sentence. Who will go next? Do any of those words begin with the L? Do any of those words begin with the N? Next. Okay. Words for R and Z. The pad is red. R, letter R, E, D. D. I can zip it. Z. What makes a Z sound? The letter Z. Zip. Let's look at the next one. She will run. R is U, N is N. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to math. For math, we're still talking about comparing the height, the length, and capacity. But today we're going to be focusing on capacity. Martha has 2 cups. She wants to use the cup that holds more. How can she find out which cup holds more? So we're going to draw 2 cups, and then we're going to circle the one that can hold more. Which of these cups can hold more? Left or right? The right side. Okay, let's go to the next page. We're going to watch a quick little video.
Let's compare some containers. Here are 2 glasses. Which glass holds more? The larger glass holds more. Now look at these 2 bowls. Which bowl holds less? The smaller bowl holds less. Look at these 2 pitchers. Do the pitchers hold the same amount, or does one hold more? They hold the same amount. You've learned to compare how much different containers can hold.
Okay. So let's look at number 1. We're going to circle the container that can hold more. If they are the same, we're going to underline them. So looking at number 1, we have 2 cups. Which of these cups can hold more? The larger cup. Let's look at number 2. What can you tell me about these 2 cups? They are the same size, same shape. They hold the same amount. So we're going to underline it. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, so here we're going to circle the container that holds more and draw an X on the container that holds less. If they are the same, we're going to underline them. So let's look at number 3. What can you tell me about these two pictures? Yes, they are pots, and the first one is smaller, so it holds less, so we're going to draw an X on it. The second pot is larger. That means it can hold more, so we're going to circle it. Number 4, what can you tell me about these two objects? Yes, the first one is smaller, so it holds less. We're going to draw an X. The second one is larger, it holds more. Number 5, what can you tell me about these two? They are the same. They hold the same amount. Last one, number 6, what can you tell me about these two? Yes, the first container is smaller, so it holds less. The second container is larger, so it can hold more. Okay, here we're going to circle the container that holds more, draw an X on the container that holds less, and underline them if they are the same amount. So let's look at number 7. What can you tell me about these two buckets? Yes, the first one is smaller, so we're going to put an X on it. That means it holds less. The second bucket is larger. That means it can hold more. Let's look at number 8. What can you tell me about these two sandboxes? Yes, the first box is larger, so it can hold more. The second box is smaller, so it can hold less. Number 9, what can you tell me about these two garbage cans? Yes, they are the same, so they both hold the same amount. Number 10, we're going to draw an object that holds less than the container shown. If I want to show an object that is less, am I going to draw an object that is bigger or smaller? Smaller. Next, we're going to move on to science. And science, we are still talking about living and non-living things, but right now we're going to focus on the plant.
Hi everybody, I'm Mike Arscope. Welcome back. Do you know the different parts of a plant? Well, today you're going to learn them. It's important to understand how the different parts of a plant help it to grow and survive. In front of me, I have all of the parts of a plant: roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Let's use what we know about each part to build a plant. First, we need to give our plant support. The stem. This plant will need to make food for itself. What part of the plant captures sunlight so the plant can make food? The leaves. Next, this plant is going to need water to grow. What part of the plant absorbs water and minerals from the soil? The roots. Next, we need the part of the plant that is involved in reproduction. This plant part can be showy, and it attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. The flowers. Next, we need the soft, fleshy part of the plant that contains the developing seeds. The fruit. We did it! We built a plant! Today, we learned the parts of the plant. Roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits, and how each part helps the plant to grow and survive. We eat different parts of plants. For example, when you eat salad, you're eating the leaves of the lettuce plant. I bet you've also eaten another part of the plant, the fruits. Draw a picture of your favorite fruit. Until next time, this is Mike Arsco signing out.
Okay, so next we're going to move on to social studies. For social studies, we have been talking about time and different things of how life used to be then and how life is now. So today we're going to be doing a timeline on transportation. So let's go ahead and let's look. Here we have planes are invented, horses carry people and pull wagons, cars are invented, trains are invented. So which of these do you think happened first? Did people invent planes first? Were horses used to carry people and pull wagons? Were cars invented or trains? Which one happened first? Yes, horses carry people and pull wagons. What do you think happened next? Yes, cars are invented. Next, what do you think happened? Do you think planes were invented or trains? Trains. Lastly, planes were invented. So first, horses carry people and pull wagons. Second, cars are invented. Third, trains are invented. Fourth, planes are invented. See you next time.